what's up guys, it's your girl Shanee Alluree and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on this beautiful red burgundy, whatever you want to call it, hair. I really love this hair so much. I'm going to show you guys how I installed it, the whole installation process. Of course it's glueless because I'm a glueless girl. Okay, we want to keep our edges and keep them flourishing and have them grow back. Okay. So before we get into the video, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of hair details that I paid and all the things like that. So of course, y'all know, I think this is just gonna be a series of me trying Amazon wigs. Comment down below if y'all want that. Y'all know I spend my own coin. I let y'all know if the hair is good or not. I have a couple of Amazon wigs and it's actual vendors, like it's actual people that sell on their own site and they also just sell it on Amazon. So, you know, and some of the same people that's on AliExpress is on Amazon as well. So you just get the hair faster. That's pretty much. This hair is from Elenine. I can't show the top because it has like my shipping information up there and I can't pull it off. So the hair came in this beautiful pink box. It just say 100% human hair. When you open it, it had 2 wig caps. One of them I have on, and this is the other one. And it also came with the wig in a net, a plastic protector for the wig, and then just 2 stocking caps. This hair is a 99J Burgundy. Now online, when I looked at it, it looked a little bit darker. I also look at the other customers' reviews to see how it looks on them. Maybe because my skin tone was a little bit different, so it looks a little brighter on me. I don't know what it is, but it looks more so like cherry bomb red, and that's probably what it's picking up on the camera. But this is a bright burgundy, okay? It's not a dark burgundy. It's not a burgundy that you dyed from black hair. This is definitely probably a 613 wig and they put red in it. I'm not sure, you know, that's just what it gives. The knots wasn't black. The mistake that I made was bleaching the knots, and it really didn't make a difference because the knots are still red. I thought it will lighten up. I don't know what I thought would happen. I never had colored hair before, so this is my first time installing colored hair, so I was really nervous. Okay, so let's just get into the details of the hair. So I purchased this hair May 13th and I got it the next day, May 14th. This is a 99J 13x4 24-inch wig. Now this definitely gives me a little bit longer than 24. I don't know, it's almost to my butt. But that's fine. This is also medium brown lace. Now let's get into it because this is not giving me medium brown. I'm not gonna lie, it's giving me transparent, because when I was trying to lay it down, it did give a little bit of a white cast, and all I had to do was put makeup on. But this lace is so thin, y'all. Like, I had this wig on, like, this is 3 days later I'm filming this part of the video, okay? And my lace is still on. As y'all can see in the video, this is a glueless unit, so got to be sprayed. I really had to touch it up. I really didn't touch it up. I went to work, I worked out in it. So this lace is really bomb. I love the thin lace. The thicker the lace, the harder it is to lay down, and if you're wearing it glueless, it's harder to maintain, in my opinion. Even with glue, I think it would be harder to maintain. So far about the hair, I really love it. It's really given 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, the hair is super soft. I barely brushed it. Like, my first time brushing the hair was yesterday. I have not brushed the hair. I just was using a comb and I barely was combing the hair. I just was able to run my fingers through it. I just popped these crimps in today. So I really recommend this hair. If you guys are interested in getting this wig from Elenine, I will have the link down below because your girl is officially an Amazon influencer. So I will have my own store. All the wigs that I think that are great and that you would like to buy, from the curly units to the straight units to the colored hair, I will have linked inside of my Amazon. I will have linked inside of my Amazon affiliate store. which you can follow at Shanee Alluree. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So let's get into it. It's the baby hairs. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video and watch me install this bomb wig.
Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take on lean where the lean at. Skipping on these G's is a bean bag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool with. Check it from my fan like a fan test. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Looking like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Nigga, know about the color, got a new end. Now the BB's with a V-long jean jacket. You can see me even if you have 3D glasses. I have vision in bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash finish. I been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wonder about my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Very gold, let these niggas know we've already. Stevie calls on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a laser tag. From a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take on lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a bean bag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool with. She know she's overseas, they were panning up. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the bands up. Blue pair of t-shirts, sleeve button up. Hard top, turn the vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a purr color. Me and Peter spit it down, copping booty swims. There's dripping niggas drowning like a nine help. What's the boom, not the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the times out in Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pound, fill up, blind, fill up Velcro. My bitch fine, and I'm shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in their peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. It did take on lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a bean bag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool with. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. It did take on lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a bean bag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool with. I'm a space cadet. Measure about 2 bitches. Boom. Easy dripping out these nigga wet. You on the Illuminati way. I'm a space cadet. Measure about 2 bitches. Boom. Easy dripping out these nigga wet. You on the Illuminati way.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on, we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. Know she want me mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' stick to shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm a stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm a stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? feel my pace. Sending action. These days, no my niggas be blasting. Living in the mix up. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. This life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I die. Like a latex, fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take on lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Cover going jeans, cause I'm cool right. She know she was overseas, they were panning up. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best up. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn the vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Me and we spend it down, talking Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas down and I can not help. Used to be not the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the bills 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pound fill applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and I'm shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, visit day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in their peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Shanee Alluree. And if you love my content, if you want to see future content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share, okay, with your mama, your sister, your cousin, whoever. And if you guys like this wig and if you like the way I installed it, it will be listed down below in the description box so you guys can purchase. Once again, I am an Amazon affiliate and influencer, so I will have my own storefront. Anything that I will mention in my videos that is from Amazon will be linked down below inside of my description box, as well as inside of the store, and I will earn a commission from the things that you purchase. Okay, so without further ado,